Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we have a special topic that's going to make your life as a student much easier. We're diving deep into time management hacks for students. So, if you've ever felt overwhelmed with assignments, exams, and extracurricular activities, this video is a must-watch. We all know that managing time as a student can be tough. But fear not, because I've got some fantastic tips that are going to change the game for you. Tip 1. Set clear goals. First things first, setting clear goals is crucial. Take a few minutes each week to outline what you want to achieve academically, personally, and socially. This visual aid will help you stay focused and prioritize your tasks effectively. Tip 2. Use a planner. Next up, invest in a good planner. It's your best friend when it comes to time management. Write down your assignments, deadlines, and even study sessions. And don't forget to color code. It makes everything even more organized. Tip 3. Prioritize tasks. Now, let's talk about prioritizing tasks. Use sticky notes or digital apps to identify your most important and urgent tasks. This way, you can tackle them first. You'll be amazed at how much more you can accomplish with this simple technique. Tip 4. Time blocking. One of my favorite hacks is time blocking. Allocate specific time slots for different activities. It's like having your own personal schedule. This ensures you stay on track and make the most out of your day. Tip 5. Learn to say no. As a student, you'll often get invitations to events and parties. While they're fun, it's crucial to learn to say no when necessary. Remember, your academic success should come first. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. These time management hacks are your secret weapons to becoming a successful student. Remember to set clear goals, use a planner, prioritize tasks, time block, and don't be afraid to say no when needed. Final thought. With dedication and these strategies, you can conquer your academic journey while still enjoying your college life to the fullest. Thanks for tuning in to my channel, and until next time, stay productive and keep reaching for your dreams. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our valuable tips and tricks. See you in the next video.